Hi, everyone. Great to be here. Thank you, Olivia, and thank you, AMCC, for the opportunity. Love working closely with you. So my name is Michelle Burris. I'm a fellow at the Century Foundation. We are a 104-year-old nonprofit policy think tank. I am based in Washington, D.C., and I look at the intersections of workforce development and racial equity. By training, started as a teacher and came into manufacturing in 2021. I believe I was in my 20s and excited to talk more. Thank you, Olivia.
Thank you. Our next speaker is Matt Bogosian from the American Manufacturing Communities Collaborative. Matt, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, Olivia. It's great to be with you, and thanks for organizing this. So I'll talk a little bit more in a minute about AMCC. Just excited to be on here, and my background is in law and policy at the local level and the regional level, and then the national level, helping to develop so many of the federal policy interventions that are happening now, and many of those cross over with manufacturing. So psyched to be here. And for those listening now, and those that'll hear the recording, the students, you guys are on the ground floor. Super exciting to be talking with you. And Olivia, thanks for your leadership.
Thank you. And next we have Kelly Sowards from Impact Washington.
Hi, Olivia. Thank you so much for including me in this conversation. I'm also very excited to be here talking with you about manufacturing. I'm currently serving as president and center director with Impact Washington, and we're a nonprofit organization that helps small and mid-sized manufacturers grow and improve their businesses. This is a relatively new role for me, and I've spent a long career in manufacturing, so I'm excited to talk to you a little bit about that today. So my background is engineering and education and manufacturing.